You're not going to go out there, Elwood. You want the stick? Yeah, thank you. Thanks for getting in muddy. Ready? Stella, you going to get it? Look at how high you can jump. Wait, ready? Okay. See, you didn't get it. Good girl, Stella. Why didn't you go out there? Look at you. Go get her. Go get her. Why don't you go for it when I throw it, dopey? You know what? I bet you might even win. You're a quick little sucker. Can I have it? Can I have it? Look at all these wrappers. People don't clean up after themselves around here. Look at all those sandwich wrappers in the water. Such a nice park. And everybody polluted. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this stick. Give it. Give me this stick. Ready? 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 Look, you act like you're gonna get it, but you don't. You just wait on land until she brings it back. Ready? Ready? Oh, look at me. Look what you're doing to me. I look like mud art on my shirt. Ready? One more time, Elwood. Jump. Okay, ready? Ready? Who's gonna get it? Oh yeah. See, you got all worked up like you were gonna go out there, and you don't. You make her do all the work, and then you try to steal it from her. Come on, bring it back. No. What you doing, Maya girl? Come on, guys. Somebody bring it to me. I'm like getting over there all falling. Come on. They're not listening. What you doing, Jack? What you doing? What are you doing, Jakey? Hey, Jake. Jakey, what are you doing? Grazing? Hey, Elwood. Did you get the stick, Stella? Did you get it? Huh? Who got it? Stella got it. Stella won that one, huh? Alright, how about I get the stick? Who has the stick now? I have the stick. Oh, oh, okay. Ready? Ready? Look at that face. Look at that face. You want it? Okay. Oh, you guys are so silly. Ready? Ready? Oh, you're just making a big deal. You're not gonna do anything. You're gonna break your leg, Stella. Ready? Okay, wait. Ready? Okay. Yeah, see? You don't go for it. Look at you. Psycho. Get her. Can I have it? They're not even paying attention to me, Jack. They're like, screw her, we got it. If she wants it, she can jump in and get it. What you doing, Mandy? Hey! Why do you guys always eat the crap around here? All this... the greens that good around here or what? Hey, what are you doing, Peaches? What is it? Let me see your face. Let me see that face. Look at you. Look at you. Mud face.